Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to jump traffic light and above traffic light. We should follow all the traffic rules for our safety on road. Traffic light has three lights. What the three lights of the traffic light say? Red light. Red light says stop right away. Yellow light. Yellow light says wait until I turn green. Green light. Green light says go but be careful along the way. Red means stop. Yellow means wait. Green means go. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.